Okay, back to the ball game. Official score 21 all.
Jordan, isa yan, Jordan.
Dito tayo sa pinaka-exciting part ng game, ang second half. Bola rito ng San Beda. Alabang. Uy, munti ka na magawan. Number 66, that's a travel. Save the school basketball. Rapa, Cheng, pass to Jordan. Jordan, fade away. Uy, gets the foul. On the free throw area. Number 23, Jordan Yeng.
Ikaw lang, Louie. No, level mo na, level.
Good. Wala pumasok?
Jordan!
Hanap po number 6. Drop pass. Steal by Jordan. Let's go. Yeng. Pass to C. Oy! Pati ka na magawan. Out of bounds. Same ball. C. Running shot. No good. Rebound by number 66. Number 88, running shot, miss. Number 6, no good. Rebound. C to Cheng. Pass to C, Vergara. C, 4-3, no good. Out of bounds, same ball. Pass to C. Hand off to Cheng. Pass to C. Running shot. Miss. Rebound ng San Beda. To number 6. At the elbow. Pull up. Miss. Rebound. May Cheng. Rapa. Pass to Vergara. Bounce pass. Jordan. Block. From behind.
Stop. Louie. After the inbound, go.
C.
Wing.
Attacking the basket. Pinalis na ere. Wala. And there's a foul. Number 66. That is fourth personal foul. Warning for graduate. 7 minutes and 13 seconds. Bola ng Xavier. Pass to Tyrese. C. To Jordan. Jordan, low pickup, all the way. Yes, sir.
Tyrese lang, Tyrese.
Balik ang ating halamangan sa dalawa. Hand off to number 13. To number 88. Stop and pump. Oh, at may sagot doon ng San Beda. Tabla ulit tayo. Sa 23. Sa loob. At the post. Pass to Jordan. Walang contact. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 13. Pull up, wala. Rebound by Jordan. Pass to Cheng. To Jordan. Jordan, cross. Jordan, binigay. All the way. Easy 2 points. 25-23. Number 13. Another steal for Xavier. Jordan, may tahan na bola. Jordan, no good. There's a foul. Tyrese, 4-3, no good. Rebound. Back to Cheng, fake. Cheng, back to Tyrese. 4-3, yes sir. Correction. That's Rafa Cheng with a dagger 3, 28-23. Number 14. The number 24. Running shot, no good. Rebound. Cheng. Sidestep, Tyrese, no good. Rebound ng San Beda. Ay na, number 28, nabitawan. Out of bounds. Four minutes and 23 seconds.
Hey, reverse.
Jordan, pass to Cheng. Back to Jordan. To Tyrese. Bounce pass to Gobin Hoy. To Jordan. Jordan Hesse, drive. That's a travel.
Jordan. Hey, face 2 ah.
Sub.
Hey, face 2, Jordan. Face 2.
Time remaining, last 4 minutes and 1 second. San Beda basketball. Oh, that's a foul. Bola na San Beda. Gets a 3, no good. Rebound. Xavier School basketball. Tyrese, back to Cheng. Cheng to Tyrese. To Gobin Hoy. Out of bound, last touch, same ball. 3 minutes and 25, substitution. Cross-court pass, fake. Sorry, that's Tyrese. With a lazy layup. Basket for Tyrese Tang. 30-23, ayan ang San Beda. Drop pass, using the board, no good. Rebound by Cheng. Pass to Tyrese. To to Cheng. Back to Tyrese. Fake. Drive. Spin. Tyrese. Oh. It's a travel. 2 minutes and 46. Bola na San Beda. Crossover. Rep. Sorry, Rep. Basket. Let's go. Baba sa limang namang ng ating Xavier. Setting on the play. Uwi. To D. D. Spin. Drive. Walang tawag. Ayan na. Ang San Beda sa loob. Block by Uwi. Uwi nagmamadali. Binigay. Cheng for 3. No good. Rebound. Whoa.
Wait.
Nagkakapisikala na po sa ating third quarter.
Hey, 22.
San Beda basketball. Rep.
Team foul ka naman.
Number 24, jump shot, no good, rebound. Steal, drop pass from the corner, miss, another rebound. Xavier School basketball. 1 minute and 14. Jordan. D. Back to Jordan. Jordan, pass to Wee. Wee, too strong and gets the foul.
Jordan. Pag nandito kasi, they're just gonna twist this. Get low. Jordan, low pick up. Get low.
Second shot para Wee, basket. 1 for 2. Oh, correction, 31-25. Attacking the basket, miss, rebound by Jordan. Yeng, nagmamadali, here comes Jeng, sidestep, using the basket by Jordan, Yeng. 33-25. Ayan na ang San Beda. Oh, there's a foul. It's a blocking foul by Go. Number 17. Last 23 seconds. And that's a travel. Xavier School. Sub.
Hey, 24.
Kinuha niyo coach eh. Okay natin coach yung kasama.
Hindi pwede dyan. Wait.
Last 13 seconds.
Go.
Uy, wala. that's the end of our third quarter. Official score 33-25 in favor of our Xavier School. We're going to the fourth and last quarter. Dito na tayo magkakaalaman sa dulo. Yan natin ni Coach Ian Mazo. Back to the ball game. We're going to the fourth and last period. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon this season? Let's go, Xavier. Fourth quarter. Sheng. Setting on the play. Sheng. Oh, there's a travel.
Hey, 22.
9 minutes and 42.
Rapa! Below you! Lukas lang. Kaya, kapasok! Go!
Hand off to number 6.
Hey, yan na.
To number 66. Pass number 88 and 1. By number 88. Nine minutes and 18. Basket. 28-33. Jordan to Cheng. Kick out. Vergara from elbow 3. No good. Rebound ng San Beda. Hand off to number 6. To number 66. To number 88. At the guard, number 13. Crossover, Hesi, running shot, wala, rebound, number 88 with a putback. Nabasa tatlo ang ating kalamangan, 33-30. Let's go, Xavier. Vergara, Shewi, no good, rebound. Mawanawi, kick out, C4-3, no good. Rebound by Vergara, pass to Jordan. Jordan! Whoa, what a nice move by Jordan Yang. 35-30. Ayun na ang San Beda. To number 11. Pass number 88. Running shot, choosing the board. Sheng. Hesi, binigay. Pass to Jordan. Jordan, spin. Pull up, no good. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 66, block, rebound by Jordan. Yang. Oh, steal. Number 8. Basket by jersey number 6. Down by 1. Vergara. Cheng. Uy, 4-3. No good. Let's go defense. Number 88. Oh, that's a foul. Sub. Sub. Time remaining 5 minutes and 54 seconds.
Basket down.
35 all. Bata, time out. Xavier. Change favor. Lamang ang San Beda ng isa. Back to the ball game. 36-35, 5 minutes and 54 seconds. Sa lamang ng guest team. Let's go, Xavier. Tyrese to Vergara, back to Cheng. Pass to Tyrese, hand off to Cheng. Cheng to Gobinghoy. Tyrese, libre doon. Nice pass from Gobinghoy, finding open man. Tyrese, tag. Change favor, balik sa atin ng Kalamangan. 37-36. Let's go, defense. Binigay sa corner, 4-3. In and out, rebound by Wee. Ayun na, Cheng nagmamadali. Cheng derecho. Basket is good. 39-36. Balik sa tatlo ang ating Kalamangan. Defense. Number 6 to number 88. Running shot. No good. Rebound. Cheng gets the foul. That's unsportsmanlike foul. Time out. San Beda.
Hands mo yung pare. Going for the ball eh.
Back to the ball game. 39-36. Four minutes and 41 seconds. Cheng. Foul. Offensive foul for Cheng. Sub.
Five down. Eight.
And off to number 11, kick out. Steal by Gobing Huy. Let's go. Ay, boss. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Running shot, wala. Moko pa rin ng San Beda. Number 6, with a ball movement. Number 88, pull up, in and out, rebound by Tyrese. Let's go, Ty. And there is a foul, unsportsmanlike foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 88, Tyrese Tang. First shot is good.
Five down.
Second shot for Tyrese. 2 for 2.
Go. Pitch. Pitch or corner entry. UA, pitch or corner entry.
3 minutes and 52 plus ball possession. The handoff to Tieng. Jordan. Pass to Ty.
Away!
Tyrese. Stop and pump for 3. No good. Rebound. Last touch. Sabre School basketball.
D1. Hey, tuloy mo. Jordan, tuloy mo. Hey. Tuloy mo, Jordan. Look.
Pass to Jordan and gets the foul.
3 minutes. Tingnan mo muna. Ikaw lang.
On the free throw area, Jordan Yang.
Sino foul?
Five fouls.
Ready?
It's jersey number 6.
Jay. Louis, right there, Louis!
3 minutes and 24 seconds to number 11. From the elbow. From the corner, 3. Yes, sir. At nakabawi ron ang San Beda. 13-9-42. Nabuhayan ang save San Beda. Let's go, Xavier. Jordan, cross. Jordan gets the foul.
problema na.
On the free throw area. Jersey number 23. Jordan Yang. First shot is good. Let's go. Second shot for Jordan Yang. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ng San Beda. Ayan na, number 88 with a layup. Basta dalawang lamang ng ating Xavier. Tyrese Vergara, pass to Jordan. Jordan, cross. Jordan, Hesse, pull up. No good, rebound. Makakuha ng San Beda. Still by Vergara. Pass to Say. Yes! Oh, short, brother. Kala ko pumasok na. Defense! Ayan na. Number 13. Hesse. Ligay. Number 88. Drive. Side step. Oh! Tabla tayo sa 43. Let's go, bawi. Bawi tayo rito, let's go. Vergara for 3. In and out. Tyrese Tang with a putback. Di pa tapos ang laban. 1 minute and 27. San Beda basketball. Staring on the play. Number 13. Hand off to number 24. Pass to number 88. Crossover. Ayan na. Pinagay sa loob. Uy, gets a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 28. Missed the shot. Second shot by jersey number 28. Let's go, box out. Ayan na. Down by 1. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Jordan, may taka ng bola. Jordan, bigay. Block by number 88. Last 58 seconds. Time out, Xavier. Official score 44-45, 1 point lead to our Xavier. Tingnan natin ako, adal ni Coach Ian. Let's go, Xavier. Back to the ball game. Both teams under penalty situation. 58.85 seconds remaining. Bola rito na ating Xavier. Let's go, Xavier. Oy. Pass to Jordan. Setting on the screen. Jordan, ISO. Uy, bad pass. Steal ng San Beda. Number 28, parang extra pass. Yoyo sa ere, wala. Rebound. Ooh. Temo lang. Kasi na lang ako yung Google Drive mo. Send na lang. Last 41 seconds.
Bali 2 yan. Saan ba tayo kakain? Kahit sa McDo na lang ako? McDo na lang tayo.
Let's go, Xavier. Hindi ko nito nagpa-ababa.
Kasi ano rin tayo, final game.
Hindi, sa ano rin po. Ay, sukoy na rin. Sukoy na rin dito. Last 41 seconds. Let's go. Sino tatanggap? Binigay. Number 88 with a strong drive. Oh! Time out. Change favor. Time out. Xavier. Time remaining. Last 36 seconds. Let's go. Isa lang yan. Let's go, Xavier. Di pa tapos ang laban. Meron pa tayong 36.59 seconds. Let's go. 45, 46. Sheng. Pass to Jordan. Jordan. Crossover, pull up, no good, rebound. Gets a foul. Box out, di pa tapos ang laban. Meron pa tayong 21 segundo. Sub. Second shot. Oh. Di pa tapos ang laban. 21 seconds left. Tatlo lamang ng San Beda. Jordan for an extra pass. See and gets the foul. Last 12 seconds. Shooting for two. post, Xavier. Second shot para kay C. Let's go. Wala. C. Binigay. Jordan 4-3. No good. Isa pa. Cheng. Get. Binigay. C. 4-3. Oh! What a good game for both teams. Game from both teams. Nice game. Wow. What an exciting game for this season. Our final score 48-45. Panalo po ang San Beda Alabang. Nice game. Alright, and that's a wrap. Congratulations to our new champion, San Beda Alabang. And a nice game to our Xavier School. Okay, magbabalik po tayo or maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. See you on the next season. Bounce back tayo sa ating next game. And still pa rin naman with the second place, our Xavier School Aspirant 2010 Division. Congrats po. And nice game. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. And God bless everyone. Congrats, San Beda Alabang. Sa muli, magkita-kita po tayo for our next live.